Happy Pink Day! Today we're going to be making a super pink lemonade with a fizzy twist. This fun drink is perfect for any and all pink parties. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is prep our mason jars.
Okay.
With these round sprinkles and some pink pre-made icing. For today's full recipe, check the description box below. We'll start by dipping our mason jar into the pink frosting to make sure that the sprinkles stick. And you want to get it nice and juicy. And you can clean up the edges a little bit if you like. I like to do that. Then you're gonna dip it.
It's already begun. You are my one. With a simple mind, we should find some more time. We don't need to worry at all.
Next, we're gonna add 24 ounces of pineapple juice and a half cup of our pink lemonade mix. Pour that in and mix well. Next, you're gonna add about half the bottle of Sprite. We pre-made some really awesome ice cubes. We just cut up some pineapple and some strawberries and added some water. They look really cool and super yummy, and I can't wait to try them. To put this all together, we're gonna add our super fun ice cubes. And then just pour the lemonade in. Extra garnish, we dyed some lemons pink using food coloring and water. Wowza! We hope this makes your National Pink Day extra pink. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!